Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is February the 11th and I'm using my new Pip Snagger trading system. I've gone as far as nicknaming this the Holy Grail trading system, and any system that I have this TZ indicator, which I've also nicknamed it the magic indicator, on top of the timing indicator. These two right here is the magic 2 indicators that really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now these up and down cycles, this is what I call the flow of the market, which is what you must learn in order for you to become a successful trader. Now right where this line is, this is 6 a.m. New York time. I'm in front of the computer putting together, between 6 and 7 a.m., putting together my daily trade plan that we can take a look at. Here we go. Here's the plan for February the 11th, 22. Every one of these trades here was taken directly from the daily trade plan. Now the only one that was a little bit lagging is this DAX 30, and because you can see it paid the most here. Now I like to do the Nasdaq, which I did, and the DAX 30, but everything was flat until we get the 1 hour and the 30 minutes. I just wanted to see a further confirmation that it was going to go up, which I did. And after I finished the trade plan and actually sent it out to my subscribers, I saw it starting to look better for a buy trade. So that's exactly what I did. A little after 7. I took all of these trades a little after 7, pretty much, except for this Nasdaq, which was 12 minutes before 8. And usually between 9 and 10 I'm completed. Today was lagging a little bit past the 10 o'clock. Not a big deal, as I was waiting on these future pairs, which market opens at 9:30, and then you get some action, price action, and movement and volatility. And that's where, all these totals started to kick in. And then once I saw that I had at least 200 pips, and looking at this total here, throwing into DAX 30, this is guaranteed due to the number of lots I do here. This is well over 300 pips today. If you are trading, without a plan, that is one of the main reasons why you're failing. Now you don't have to get the plan from me, but you have to get a plan from somebody if you do not know how to make one of these. And I bought from 3 or 4 mentors over the past 16 years because I didn't know how to do this. But it was only until the last person from a year ago, and then I was buying from this person and the light bulb went off, and he was helping me, and by the end of the day I finally saw the light and I figured out how to make one of these trading plans. It is not easy, but you can certainly learn how to do it. And certainly if traders wanted to know how to do this, it depends on how I feel in the day and all that. But I have told some of my trading buddies that have been with me for years and years on how to actually put one of these together. So I didn't mind doing that. And moving forward, I'll probably help a few more traders, because you don't want to keep spending $100 a month for the next 1 or 2 years. But anyhow, I do charge $100 a month for this, and if you have any questions about this, all you gotta do is get in contact with me. Okay, now we can move on to these trades. The first one was this pound yen, the one you're looking at. There's the arrow, directly taken from my trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. Right here, went mostly sideways, went a little bit against me, but not a big deal. Pulled the trigger here, and I closed it out just being happy with, looks like 14 pips, and 14 pips on the pound yen paid out $1,208. Okay, let's move on to the 30-year bonds here. Keep in mind, the bonds pays $5 a pip. Everything was looking good. And actually, as I'm looking at this, this is a good one to put my advanced FibMaster tool. It's just from swing high. It can be this one or this one. They're both at the same height. And then you go to the first, let's say you're looking at it right about here. For example, there's your pullback. Now if it hits 1, 2, or 3, as a general rule, not guaranteed, nothing's guaranteed in trading, it should make it at least a target 2. Not only that, it hit 3, 4, 5, and almost 6 down here. This is a fantastic advanced FibMaster tool. It works great on the MT4 platform. Just wanted to, this is not part of the system. This is part of my FibMaster full course. Now if you don't want to get the training videos for it, I do have a special not only for the full course, but I also have a special price on this FibMaster tool. If you're interested in it, simple, all you got to do is get in contact with me. Let's see where I did get in here. Right at this cursor here, it went a little bit against me. Should have just waited for it to hit this entry number 2 right there. But I wasn't going to worry about it. That's where I got in at. Could have made a lot more. And but I was happy when I closed out my trades, and looks like 28 pips, because 28 times 5 times 10 lots, those 28 pips on the 30-year bonds paid $1,400. Okay, now we can move on to the next trade. It's the pound dollar. Let's take a look at that. Pound dollar, there's the arrow. Qualified for a great way to trade. Everything looked great for buying. So let's see. And this actually looks like a great setup also for the fib tool. Swing low, this is the lowest point, to the highest in real time. This would be the first one. As you can see, it hit entry 1 here, right here, and it usually will make it to target 2, which is right here. Now, for me, trading in the morning, because I'm sleeping at that time, swing low, swing high, came back to entry 1, and it's still working its way up, and it can still hit target 2. But I am done trading for the day. I just wanted to show you again how fantastic this FibMaster tool works. Let's see where I got in at. Got in here as soon as this candle closed. I got in. This one, because it has the USD in it, it pays $10 a pip. Went up, did a pullback, and of course it gave me another chance to get out. I closed it out here with has to be 19, because 19 times $10 times 10 lots, you can see down here at the bottom, paid out $1,900. Okay, let's move on to crude oil. Crude oil pays $10 a pip. Let's see how this one worked out. wanted to buy according to the daily trade plan. Here's the arrow. I took this trade at 703. Let's see where I got in at. And now I could have kept going straight up, but it decided to do another cycle. And for you traders, all you got to do is follow the goal line and you can easily see the cycles. Anywhere through here, getting in, and that's paying out right there, 82 ticks. As I said, I got in at this cursor, got out here just being happy. Looks like should be 21. There it is right there, 21 times $10 times 10 lots. You can easily see the total for $2,100. Let's move on to the last two that pays the most. Nasdaq pays $20 a pip. I sold it. There's the arrow. Decided to do a cycle. Got in at 748, which was around here somewhere. Let's see where I did get in at. Nasdaq. Around here, like I said, I thought it was going to start coming down, but the market is very random, and it decided to do one more cycle. Didn't bother me too much, but I closed out the trade just being happy with, looks like 52. That you ignore the last two digits, so 52 times 20, that'll be 10.4 times 10 lots. You can easily see the total paying out $10,440. Love trading with the pip snagger. I made an error. You can see under here, this candle right here is blue. It closed blue, which means good chance for it to continue to go up. Should have got in over here somewhere when it goes from blue to red, and then just wait for a pullback. By the way, all of these advanced trading tips I teach within the training videos. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, the DAX 30. With my lot sizes, this pays $37.50 a pip. Let's see now. I bought it. There's the arrow. Qualified for a great weight. Well, not quite actually, but it was still, everything else was screaming blue. Took the trade. Let's see where I got in at. Went sideways for a while, a little bit right here. Did a bit of a pullback, not much, right here. And I closed it out at the other cursor, locking in. This jumps around so much here. I'm going to use a calculator to get it right on. My best guess at this point in time will be around 37. I'm going to use a calculator. I just used a calculator and it worked out to be exactly 370 pips. And what did I say? 371. So I was one tick off. But it is 370 ticks, and those 370 ticks paid out $13,875. So another great day of trading, great way to finish off the week. I just calculated all the pips and ticks, and it turned out to be 504 pips. As I said, well over 300, and those 504 pips and ticks paid out $30,923. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my pip snagger, I recommend you getting your hands on the pip snagger, and also I recommend if you're not producing a daily trade plan, well, if you want to start making some pips as you're learning, then I recommend you getting the daily trade plan. So to get more information, all you have to do is look right below this video. There's the daily trade plan I was talking about. And let's pull up the pip snagger. Here it is here. My system. I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. Now my pip snagger system has 5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. I included a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. Now this is just all bonus stuff, and plenty of it, which you're going to need plenty of education to succeed at trading. Now there's a lot of ways to trade. I do teach a lot of ways to trade. That's why there's 50 training videos. Each one is about 20 minutes long each, approximately. Now you can put this video on pause, as I'm not going to read everything here. If you have any questions, simple, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Now if you live too far, simple again, here, just send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now I do prefer Skype. Simple, made it for you. All you got to do is click on this link, and if you have Windows 10, we'll have immediate connection, and through Skype screen sharing I will give you some tips and tricks and answer your questions. Keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now if you click on this link right here, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the systems I've been building over the year. So it's time to wrap up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day, should be Monday, next video again Monday. I want to wish you good luck with your trading. Have a great weekend, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.